guys, I want to share with you my cooking ability. I cook every day. I do love to cook, and I don't like to eat any made up food from the restaurants or already crazy food from supermarkets. So I always go Sprouts Market and I always get fresh, all natural ground beef. So I love it a lot. It is super fresh, nice. This is the best grocery store I ever saw. So we just open it and prepare it to fry on the pan. Let it sit a little bit to make it a little bit warmer because you want it to be house temperature. This is going to be our garbage. But my goal is to eat it with the salad. So I'm gonna get ingredients for the salad also. I always eat just cucumbers and few tomato. So I'm gonna just take basically one tomato, two cucumbers, which in my opinion is phenomenal, and it's gonna really work perfectly with my food. I usually just grab a huge box to make my life easier and wash it right inside of it. So I wash it properly in the sink, and that is the most important part, to wash vegetables nicely to get rid of everything, of all the dirt. After I wash it, I always dry it with clean paper towel because I want it to be super dry. And I will cut it on a large cutting board to make sure that my vegetables are ready to go as soon as my meat is ready. So I washed it in a cold water. I love these containers, by the way. I'm gonna leave links below so you can see which ones I use. Always dry it because I don't want this extra water in my salad. Just want to do everything perfectly. I cook already for 15 years. And so for me, cooking, it is my pleasure, it is my meditation, and I really enjoy it. I cook for my boyfriend every day, and I usually manage it, like I clean the house and I cook and I do all of that. So cucumbers, I like to cut in small pieces. I want to do just two cucumbers today and one tomato because I'm gonna cook that beef. So I want it to be more like cucumber type of things, and it is gonna be better. So it depends on my mood. Sometimes if I cook something else, I'm gonna use two tomatoes and one cucumber. But this time today, I'm not gonna exaggerate because it's gonna be already too much. And I try to eat healthy every day because I go gym every day, I go beach every day, and so it is very important for me. So tomato is also very important to cut properly, so it's beautiful and nice. I liked only simple recipes. I don't do anything extra. I don't like when it's too much, when it's over the top. I like simple salads, just salt, pepper, and olive oil, just a little bit. Depends what I cook. For example, today I'm making beef, so it's already a little bit too much for me. So I like to put just a little bit of olive oil, just a little sprinkle. So I do use pink salt, Himalayan pink salt. I love it a lot. Also, it is super large pieces of it. So I don't put a lot, I just put a little bit, and just a little bit of any black pepper, just to make it a little bit better. And right now, I'm gonna start to putting little bit of olive oil just a little sprinkle. And after that, I just close it. It's gonna be ready, and mix it all together. So as soon as I finish with my meat, I'm gonna have a little bit of salad. It is enough for one person. It's not like too much. I'm gonna just eat it. That's it. It's for me, fresh salad. All the garbage I threw away right away. I don't wait for a long time. Always threw it away right away. So, second part is to take the best on the market pan. I'm gonna use large one, so I'm not gonna waste my time. Put it on high heat, wait, and after that, I'm gonna put it on the low heat. So let's wait when it's gonna be ready. So my pan is super hot, and right now I'm ready to put a little bit olive oil. I'm gonna again link all the products below on the Amazon. I always get it at the same place. Little bit sprinkle of olive oil. Please don't forget to turn on the vent so it doesn't smell nasty or something. And after that, I take fresh meat, put it inside slowly and accurately, and threw it away, this thing. Now we're gonna crush it a little bit because we don't want it to be stuck together. We want to take special thing and crush it a little bit in a small pieces, because we don't want it to be like, you know, one huge thing. You want it to be nice and clean. Now you're gonna make it on medium heat. It's too hot, so we're gonna put it on low heat so we have time to flip it around so it's not crazy. We just want to make sure that all the meat is properly done. I don't put a lot of oil because I don't like when it's super fat and oily. So for me, I use it a little bit. Okay, nice, nice, nice. It smells perfectly and nicely. So we have to wait till it's all brown and nice. And it is very important. So it is beautiful right now. Looks very nice. Almost done. Can't wait to try it. So good. It's my favorite meat and I feel like it's super nice. Wow. So I like to put a little bit soy sauce at the end, so it has a little bit of taste. Let's wait a little bit now. Put a little bit of salt. Himalayan salt. A little bit of it. And a lot of pepper. And let me see if I have any spice for it. So we have this barbecue spice, which we can also put inside, because I like how it smells. It's very nice. Let me put a little bit of this one. Okay, nice. And that's it. Put it back, close it up, and make sure that from each side it is ready to go. Nice and beautiful. I still working on crushing it because it has some large pieces, and of course I want it properly be done. And let me, right now I want just to make sure that it's done. Put it all together like this. It is very juicy, very tasty, and I want some juice to even stay here, so I'm gonna cover it with special cover. This cover it and make it a little bit lower. That's it. So that's what we did. We don't need olive oil anymore. Salad is ready. Salt, pepper we don't need anymore. I will put a 1 splash of olive oil after it's done. So yes, cooking is my everything. Salad, mix one more time so it's ready. Beautiful. My coffee is gonna be ready soon, so I'm gonna have some coffee. Extra coffee I already had today a little bit, but I want a little bit more. Mix it a little bit one more time. I want soy sauce to be blended in, so you know, so it doesn't taste separate or anything. So I want to put a little bit of soy sauce right now, just a little bit for the taste, so it has some beautiful, nice extra taste. And I hide my soy sauce. Of course, you can also put anything you want, like even a parsley, any spice, just a little spring. It's not gonna be harmful. So I love it. My favorite spices. And let me check if I have anything else to put. I like to check if I have anything else, but no, I don't have any food at home. I don't have anything extra. I'm gonna put it on low heat and make sure that it's done. Wait for it, and I'm gonna eat it with myself. So the food is ready. I already put some salad. Meat is phenomenal, very good and tasty. I'm gonna put some of it on the plate. So my beautiful meal is ready and I'm gonna enjoy it. Thank you for watching. It is very balanced. So my food is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. And now I'm gonna eat a little bit of it. Phenomenal. What a tasty food. Love it. The best meat on the market.